Hello, today I'll be walking you through how to create a fundraiser after you've already signed up for a 5K race, or if you are unable to participate in the race but would still like to fundraise. First, I am starting out at the Step Beyond Celiac homepage that you can reach simply by Googling Step Beyond Celiac. Next, I'm going over to the tab that says Races, where we currently just have the 5K for Philadelphia 2021 posted. Once I click on the Register Now link, it'll take me to the details of this race. If you have not registered for the 5K race but would still like to fundraise, you can just hit the button that says Donate, and this will take you to the page where you can directly donate or create your own fundraiser, which we will go through later. Going back to the event page, if you have previously signed up for the 5K race, in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to click on my profile image and sign in with the same email and password I used to register for the race. After signing in, I am brought back to the event page. Now I'm going to click on my profile image again, go to My Registrations, and find the link that says Manage Registration for the event I am looking to fundraise for. Next, I'm going to click on the tab that says Fundraiser. This will take me back to the same form from the registration process to create a new fundraiser. Only the name of the fundraiser is required, but the more details you put in, the easier it'll be to connect with donors and publicize your fundraiser. The default goal amount is $200, but we highly encourage you to set your own goal. For example, if you wanted to create a custom URL, you can do so here, and will be able to use this link to send people directly to your fundraiser page. You can also add a heading, an image, and a personalized message to the page. This would be a great place to add what a cure for celiac disease would mean to you. At the bottom, you will find the option to join a team fundraiser or to create your own team fundraiser. A team fundraiser is a collection of personal fundraisers that will be pooled together towards a team goal. Donations made to a fundraiser that is a part of a team fundraiser will be attributed both to the team fundraiser as well as the personal fundraiser itself. Donations made directly to a team fundraiser, on the other hand, will not be attributed to any of the fundraisers that make up the team, but will only be tallied with the team's total. Finally, when you are all done, you can click Set Up Fundraiser, and this will take you to the final confirmation page. Here is your final confirmation page with the notice that says your fundraiser has been successfully created, your registration number, and the details of your 5K registration. This is the end of the tutorial, but if you have any questions about this race or how to create your fundraiser, please feel free to contact us at step@beyondceliac.org.